Good evening, students. Have a nice day. Welcome to 6th standard English class. I hope all are safe by God's grace. Today we are going to see about Unit 2 Supplementary 2 Book Back Exercise. Exercise D. Read the passage and answer the following. All of a sudden, the farmer noticed a small fruit hanging from a branch. It was an apple and looked as delicious as the ones he ate as a boy. He plucked it and bit into the juicy fruit. The memories of the fun he had as a boy came rushing back. When his daughter saw the changed expression in her father's face, she started pleading harder. Questions. What did the farmer notice? Answer. The farmer noticed a small fruit hanging from a branch. Second question. What made him recall his childhood? Answer. The delicious apple made him recall his childhood. Third question. Why did his daughter start pleading? Answer. When his daughter saw the changed expression in her father's face, she started pleading harder. Next exercise E. Rearrange the jumbled sentences. Question. He did not listen to their cries. The farmer continued cutting the tree. His childhood memories made him realize his mistake. He decided to cut the tree thinking that it was useless. The taste of the apple brought back his childhood memories. The farmer had an old apple tree in his garden. All the little animals in the tree pleaded with him. He spent all his childhood playing under the apple tree. So, these are the jumbled sentences. You arrange in correct order. Order. First one. The farmer had an old apple tree in his garden. Second one. He spent all his childhood playing under the apple tree. Third one. He decided to cut the tree thinking that it was useless. Fourth one, all the little animals in the tree pleaded with him. Fifth one, he did not listen to their cries. Sixth one, the farmer continued cutting the tree. Seventh one, the taste of the apple brought back his childhood memories. Eighth one, his childhood memories made him realize his mistake. So in the correct order form, 6, 8, 4, 7, 1, 2, 5, 3. This is the correct answer. Next exercise G. Look at the table, read any story, then fill the table. One of the answer given in the bracket. Title of the story, When the Trees Walked. Name of the author, Ruskin Bond. Number of characters, 3. The character you like the most, grandfather. Main points, grandfather loved trees and grew trees. Grandmother loved flower gardening. The author too loved trees and helped grandfather. So another story. First of all, what is storytelling? Storytelling is the process of using fact and narrative to communicate something to your audience. Now I tell one of the story name The Selfish Giant. The giant garden was very beautiful. Children loved to play in it. Every afternoon, as they were coming from school, they used to enter the large, lovely garden with flowers and peach trees. But the giant was selfish. One day, when he returned home after 7 years of stay with his friend, he saw the children playing in the garden. He shouted at them angrily and they ran away. The giant decided not to allow anybody else to play there, so he built a high boundary wall around it. He also put up a notice that outsider entering the garden will be punished. The poor children had no other place to go. They did not like to play on the dusty road full of stones. Then the spring came all over the country. Only in the garden of the selfish giant it was still winter. No flowers bloomed and no birds sang. The only visitors were the snow and the frost which painted all the trees silver. The north wind rode there all day. It also asked the hailstones to come. The giant wondered why the spring passed by his garden. It was always winter there. One morning he heard some lovely music of a linnet song bird outside his window. He jumped out of bed and looked out. He saw a wonderful sight. The children had crept in through a hole in the wall. They were sitting on the branches of trees, which gladly welcomed them with flowers. Only in one corner it was still winter. A small boy was wandering all around the tree and crying. He was too small to climb up. The giant's heart melted. He went out in the garden. The children ran away on seeing him. The garden became winter again. But when he put the small boy up into the tree, it broke into flowers. The boy threw his arms around his neck and kissed him. Other children noticed the change in the giant behavior, so they too came back. The giant knocked down the wall and started playing with them. He wanted to see the small boy whom he had put up into the tree, but he had gone away. Years went by and he grew old and weak. He realized that the children were the most beautiful flowers of all. One winter morning, he saw a tree covered with lovely white flowers and silver fruit. Under it stood the little boy. He came running close to the boy. He noticed two nail wounds each on the boy's arms, and on the little feet. He declared angrily that he would kill cruel man who had injured him. At this the child told him that those were the wounds of love. It further told that he had come to take him to his garden, which was paradise. In the afternoon the giant was found lying dead under the tree. Then filled the table. This story. The title of the story, The Selfish Giant. Name of the author, Oscar Wilde. Number of characters, 2. The character you like the most, the little child. Main points. The giant built a wall. The little child kissed him. The giant became kind-hearted. The boy took him to paradise. Next exercise, steps to success. I exercise. For each item, write the word that has the same relationship as the pair on the left. Already one of the example in your book: desert, dry, valley, fertile. First one, creeper, tendril, tree. Option A, leaf. Option B, bough. Option C, flower. Option D, fruit. Correct answer, option B, bough. Second one, river, flow, mountain. Option A, beautiful. Option B, high. Option C, trees. Option D, still. Correct answer, option D, still. Third one, breeze, gentle, storm. Option A, violent. Option B, wind. Option C, sea. Option D, rain. Correct answer, violent. Fourth one, mango, sweet, lime. Option A, fruit. Option B, sour. Option C, tree. Option D, juice. Correct answer, option B, sour. Fifth question, bark, timber, flower. Option A, branch. Option B, plant. Option C, fruit. Option D, stem. Correct answer, option C, fruit. Okay children, I hope all are watching this video class and PDF link. You can also inform the other students or friends to see the video class. Today's assignment: write in cursive style and neat presentation. Read and write given book back exercise. Write in your book. Watch the YouTube video link till you understand. Complete the given assignment and report on time without fail. Take care children. Thank you. Be safe and stay home.